happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. Today I am going to be giving you kind of a behind the scenes look at what we are going to be doing to my RS3. A lot of you that watch the channel know that I am going too damn fast now to race on an NHRA certified drag strip without a roll cage installed. So what has to happen is we have to strip the entire interior and get down to the metal so Kyle from Rider Performance can get in there and weld a roll cage in there. So my buddy James is coming over. He has handled the majority, if not all, of the body modifications, the fix-ups, any fixes that need to be done on the car, or that have been done on the car. He also helped me remove the interior to make sure we don't break any of those clips because he is a bodyman. So he's coming over. It's going to take place over the course of the next 2 days. First session, I'm going to set up all the GoPros. We are going to get in there and take off the headliner. So once the headliner's removed, all the trim pieces around there, he's going to come back the next day, and the next day he's going to come over. We're going to do the carpet and the center console. The center console I'm putting back on, but we're taking out all the carpet so we can get down to the metal. So just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek as what's going on, as I always try to keep you guys appraised of the situation and what I'm doing with my car, so you know everything, all the nitty-gritty details about my vehicle and how I get it to go so fast, and to kind of show you the crap that sucks, but we have to get it done anyway. Safety first. We cannot race on the racetrack regularly without getting kicked off all the damn time with the speeds that I'm traveling at now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Here's the extent of what we removed: the entire headliner, the airbag curtains, some speakers, and a lot of other trim pieces. First day down, coming back tomorrow to do the carpets. here it is, all said and done after those 2 days. Everything is all taken out. No more headliner, no more trim pieces, nothing. Everything has been removed, so we can get down to the metal and actually install a roll cage. Let me show you the front part too. Everything has been taken out. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty damn crazy. That's a wrap, guys. The entire interior has been removed. No trim pieces, no headliner, no nothing. That way, Kyle can get in there, take measurements, and get started on that roll cage. I need to get that thing installed ASAP so I can stop getting kicked off at the track to see what the potential of this TTE 700 is. I won't know unless I can get multiple runs in and keep working on my launch and seeing if I can improve on my runs. If I keep getting kicked off, we won't know the true potential because I won't get enough runs in. So, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little behind the scenes action of what went in and what was involved in removing the interior from my car to get ready for that roll cage install. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, take care.